Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy King Yedi here, and catching a little short play on inauguration day. And you might be wondering, well, how could you be catching a short play on a day like this? But right now we just trading SQQQ. So that's the inverse of the QQQ, and the QQQ is ripping right now. It's looking like it doesn't have any stop. It's just gonna keep pushing higher, and so I caught the short on the SQQQ. That's a lot of Q's to say, man. You know what I mean? So yeah, right now I'm just trailing my stop. It's kind of like at break even right now. So my target price is 11 because I think it's just gonna keep dropping off. So what's that? I'm looking to catch like around $2 at least. You know what I mean? Maybe three. So yeah, let's see what happens here, man. And I should put the Q's right next to it so you could see what I mean. Yeah, so we got the Q's ripping up here. Nice volume. Volume fell off on the pullback. That's good. Volume pushing up. So VPA is looking good. Volume price analysis is good. This low volume here is not looking too good. So maybe I should trail my stop a little tighter. I don't know. It could just be a little pause in the action. You know what I mean? I ain't really wanna trail it too tight and mess up my whole potential gain by getting stopped out, you know. But let's see what it does here. Right now the RSI is pushing up on the 1 minute, so that's not too good. Nah, this is struggling here a little bit. Let me trail my stop tight, cause this little doji candle here is not looking promising. It should be pushing up. See, volume is creeping in. We still ain't got no movement. The bears and the bulls fighting right here. And that's people trying to catch the top, I guess. They're trying to either short here or people are selling, taking their profits right here. Alright, so we got some more selling coming in there. That's good. Hopefully we break this area of 1380 and drop lower. Right now we only at a 10-cent move, but I went heavy with my position, so I'm looking good right now. Alright, so we break in 1380. Look like we're gonna push down lower. We got some buying coming in here on the time and sales. Gotta watch out for that. This still hasn't pushed up too much. Volume is looking kind of weak. Alright, it started coming a little bit. We still got this RSI pushing up. That's not good. But looks like we're holding the 7 EMA. Hopefully that holds. Alright, we got some more selling coming in, but it's a mixture. Alright, so we at the top of this level right here. Getting that push down, that rejection, that's good. Need this candle to break and close below the 7 EMA to confirm we're still in the downtrend and it's not like a reversal or it's like a bottoming out situation here, because this is a big engulfing candle, this bullish candle, this blue one right here. So I need this candle to close below the 7 EMA to confirm we're still in the downtrend. Because if you notice, no candle has closed above this 7 EMA line. So this one, to continue the trend, we gotta close below that. Looks like we're gonna get that. See, the Qs is still struggling over here. We're struggling at the 322.60 area, so we gotta break that area to go up. We still gotta break this area, 1379, 1380. It's still putting up a lot of resistance right here. Well, support really. So we gotta break that support area. Too much selling, too much buying coming in there with the green and the blue. So I might get stopped out here. See, the Q is looking like it wants to reverse. I'm 1 cent away from getting stopped out. Well, it's looking like we caught the bottom here and it's gonna probably reverse up, so let's see. I still haven't gotten stopped out, but I'm not too confident in it not reversing right now. I think it's gonna reverse. Alright, so we're breaking back below the 7 EMA line. Hopefully. And we still got these little doji candles here on the Qs. Still struggling around this area. Let's see what that looks like on the 5-minute chart. So you see it looks similar to the Qs, just in the inverse on the SQQ. Volume kind of falling off here. At least the RSI is kind of pushing down. It's looking sideways, kind of like it wants to push down, so maybe the trade is still good. Back to the 1 minute. So we're basically in congestion right now. Still below the 7 EMA though, so that's good. I was really hoping to just get like a little waterfall, just keep on falling, but we're getting this sideways movement. I'm really not trying to make this video too long. Alright, so the RSI is kind of bouncing around on the 45 level. This is looking weak. Right here on the Qs. This is looking weak. Low volume though, but this is looking weak. And for my trade on the SQQQ, that means that it's going to reverse. Because if this is going to fall off, this will probably go up. Well, nothing else to do really but wait. Just gotta watch and be patient. There's really no sense in trailing my stop tighter because, I mean, it's only 3 cents. So, just gotta wait and see what happens. But anyhow it goes, whether it reverses or continues lower. I got like, what is that? That's like 2 hour so far. That's 2% return on investment, or 2% on my P&L right now, so I'm good. It's a good inauguration day. Just looking for it to get better, you know what I'm saying? This is the kind of comfortable trades you want to be in, you know? You're just in profit and you're just thinking, well, hopefully I get more profit, you know what I'm saying? The SPY is looking like it's reversing. Let me pull the SPY across. So maybe the SPY here is leading the way and the Q is going to follow as well, but we got some wick rejections on the SPY, and then now we got this red candle pushing down. Some decent volume under there as well. Let's see what it does. Oh, we see we got the Qs trying to push up right now. This selling on the SPY though isn't good though. That's not a good sign. It's a lot of volume too. Hopefully it doesn't transfer into the tech industry on the Qs. Like all the other companies, the Fortune 500, they could sell off, but let the big players like in tech and stuff like that, let them keep going up. Like Apple and Amazon and Facebook and Netflix and all the tech companies that's really leading the market right now. They should just keep going up. Yeah. It's just sideways action, man. See, right now we're 15 minutes into the video, so let's see, I might leave it like half an hour, another 15 minutes, and let's see what happens. Hopefully this is a perfect bull flag pattern here on the cues and it just breaks out. Alright, looking like we're getting some movement to the downside. Still gotta break this 1380 level. Right now it's just sitting on the volume pointer control line. That's this pink line right here. The fight between the buyers and the sellers is just right here. That's what creates the volume point of control line where there's the most buying and selling. I look at the VIX as well. The VIX is dropping off. Look at the VIX here. Also looking at the bond market is selling off as well. This is our municipal bonds, so multiple wick rejections, they're selling off now. The Q is looking like it wants to break out. All right, we're looking like we want to push down. This is 2 attempts right now at 1380. We got to 1378. We just hovering now at 1380, 1379. Right, so we got 2 attempts on 1378. Q's looking like it's breaking up. Excuse me. Q's is looking like it's breaking up above that 322.57 area. We are 322.65 now. We got another break here at 1377 on the SQQQ. So it's looking like we're setting up to push lower. The RSI dropping off. This line right here. Alright, we had that close there at 1378. So we got that. Looking like we're going to push lower now. Alright, looks like we're getting the breakout now on the Qs, and we're getting the drop off on the SQQQ. I kinda wanna trail my stops a little tighter, but it's still not giving me the confidence that it's gonna move down, so I don't wanna get stopped out, so I'm leaving it at 1386 for now. Like I could trail my stop to about 1380 when it gets to like about 1360. All this buying coming in here is kind of slowing up the drop. This blue and this green is buying really. And the volume is just falling off. I don't know where everybody went. All of a sudden everybody just disappeared. The market pushing up and volume just dropped off. Alright, we got some selling coming back in. Right now it's respecting the 7 EMA again. There's no breakup above the 7 EMA, so that's good. Looking like we're gonna keep pushing lower. 7 EMA is cooling down now from that sideways movement, so we're looking like we're good. We gotta break this level now at 1376. But the buyers keep on coming in, man. I think I'm gonna trail my stop to 1383. Right on the volume pointer control. And if we pull back to there, then I'm good. This lack of volume right now is not looking promising. Alright, we see the SPY is breaking out. It just pushed up, kind of pulled back a little bit. Needed to break above this 382.87 level, or 89. Right, so we're pushing past that now. The Q should follow as well, and we should get that pushed down. Still isn't really a safe move though, is the volume is falling off. And the candles are, they're kind of narrow. They're not as wide as how they were pushing up. But still, we're moving up, we're creeping up. Gotta break that 383 level on the SPY. And the Q's gotta head to like this 323 area. Break above that. Right now it's stuck in the 70s. 322.70, dip back into 322.68. Struggling to kind of hold that 70 area. So what happened is on the SQQQ, we basically created this congestion area, broke below it, and created another congestion area just right under it. Alright, to me the Qs is looking like it's probably gonna sell off. We got the volume increasing and it's only creating a doji candle. Alright, so you know what? I'm gonna trail my stop tighter to 1381. If it wanna come back to that level, I'm gonna just take my stop out, take my profit right there, and I'm good. Right now we almost at the 30 minute mark, so I might cut this video off very soon. But all in all, it's a profitable day, I guess it doesn't want to stop me out. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna cut off the video here. So we caught this short from 1391. It's a 10-cent stop right now. My target price is all the way at 11, so hopefully it just pushes down and I end up getting, a lot of profit, major profit from the move. So that was my trade for today. Trading the SQQ. A little live action for y'all to kind of see my thought process and stuff like that. And hopefully it inspires you to learn how to trade. And if you're an experienced trader looking at it, I'm sure you got a little criticism for how tight I'm putting the stop, and you know what I'm saying. So, drop a comment. Let me know what you think, man. Alright, y'all. Peace and love.